everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW i4 eDrive40 in Black Sapphire Metallic with the Tacora Red interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW i4 eDrive40. I've just pressed unlock on the key. We've got the headlight welcome shimmer happening there. And this is what the key looks like. I'm just going to press and hold the panic button. This is the pathway lighting, which shows the full low beam system on. So let me just go ahead and do a little lap all the way around the vehicle. And this is Black Sapphire Metallic. We've got M Sport Pro package, so we've got the laser tail lights shining up. That looks amazing. Welcome light carpet's also visible. So now that we've completed that lap, let's go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. So this is Black Sapphire Metallic. It is almost like a fully reflective surface. You can see all the lights in the ceiling here reflecting. We've got a body line coming down here and another one here on both sides of the hood. We've got the blue accent rondelle up front and center. We've got the kidney grille with the black surround as for M Sport Pro. And we've got a new grille design for the LCI. And the lower part of the bumper and down here, this is pretty well the same as the pre-LCI. But the headlights are now the new snake eye style. And it does do the welcome light shimmer just like the M4. And if we take a closer look, these are the shadow line BMW LED headlights with the blue accents. So we've got the snake eyes. And we've got the stacks of LEDs in there for the low beams with the actual low beam light here. So that looks pretty sweet. Front end looks really good. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 19-inch Y-spoke 859 M wheel in jet black burnish with the red M Sport brake there. The contrast on that red brake looks absolutely awesome. Canadian market has the reflector here as well. And on the fender, we've got this design element here that cuts out. And we've got it going underneath both the doors, and then we've got a matte black rocker panel down here as well. We have body colored side mirrors, and up here we also have the sunroof. The Gran Coupe design with the flush integrated door handles, touch comfort access on all four. There's your rear 859 wheel in jet black burnish. We have the new style antenna up top. We have the black spoiler on the trunk lid. And again, we've got the laser tail lights. eDrive40, so this is a rear wheel drive vehicle. And we've got the rondelle in the back with the blue accent. Integrated camera. We've got the horizontal reflectors down here with these massive diffusers. So this kind of looks just like the back of the i4 M50. So I've got the key with me back here. Let me just kick my foot underneath the middle of the trunk. And we'll get that to open up. We have this cargo cover as well as this cargo cover, both of which can be removed. We do also have a front plate bracket here. We have a charging cable. There's your level 1 head. And let me just undo this. So we've got the charging cable bag here, little netted area on the side. Let me just put that up. So because this one's got enhanced, we also have some storage space down here. And inside of this kit is where you're gonna find your wheel lock key, tow hook, tire inflator kit, all that good stuff. So that's all the charging stuff. And here, we've got a button to close, another one to close and lock. But I'm just going to kick my foot underneath the middle of the back. So we can get this to close the hands-free way. That's sweet. We have the charge port door here. So press 9 o'clock to open. It's connected to the central locking system. There's a light here so we can see level 1, level 2, level 3 DC fast charge. So I'm right by level 2 charger. So when you plug it in, it'll turn yellow. Blinks yellow a couple of times, so it's determining am I supposed to charge now or charge later. It's charging now, So blinking blue means charging now, solid blue means charge later, green means done charging, red means connection error. There's a button just to undo the charging cable as well. So that is pretty sweet. And touch comfort access by touching the lines to lock, inside to unlock. So once I open up that rear door here, we have the beautiful Tacora Red interior. Look at the stitching going across the door panel. Galvanic window controls, storage space down here. There's the beautiful seats in Tacora Red. And we've got all the headrests flipped up. So that's handy if someone's sitting here, but they can all be flipped down. We also have the pull down on the shoulders to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Armrest in the center with cup holders. And we've got a pass-through through the center as well. Back of the center console, we've got some vents, rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, optional winter mats. There's more ventilation down there. And up top, we got lights, handles, coat hangers. So now that we've had a look at that, let's shut this door. And let's open up the front passenger door next. So once that opens up, inside you'll see we have ambient light down here, galvanic controls. That looks sweet. We have the aluminum door sill down here. Sticker still needs to come off. I'll just take it off now. Just like that. Full power seat with lumbar. Manual under the thigh extension. Let's take a nice look at those front seats in Tacora Red. I like that the center console is also Tacora Red. Aluminum Rhombicle trim. Nice soft touch materials on the dash. iDrive 8.5 on the screen here. We have the cascading ambient light, new vent design. Glove box over here. A little bit of a soft pad over here as well, which is nice. Down here we've got wireless charging, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. There's your gear selector, blue push start button, and if we lift this up, there's a USB Type-C charging port in there. So let's go have a look at the other side. Alright, so if we approach from the driver's side, open that up. So in here, we have the ambient light, galvanic controls, window controls, side mirror controls, memory, tailgate release down here as well, aluminum M door sill. There's another look at the front seats. We have the new LCI flat bottom steering wheel, M at 6 o'clock, black marker at 12 o'clock. And we also have, look at that, it's 94%. We've got 424 kilometers range, so that's pretty sweet. And up here, we've also got the garage door openers. And we've got exterior lighting. Down here is your hood release. 1, 2. So let's take a look underneath here. So once we open this, you'll see that there's a massive plastic engine cover. There's a positive and negative battery terminal here. Just put the cap back on. And we have washer fluid here. So this is a single electric motor in the rear, and it produces 335 horsepower, 317 foot-pounds of torque, and over 400 kilometers range, which is pretty sweet. We've got the 2 latches under the BMW hood. So in order to close it, you want to bring the hood roughly about halfway and literally just center down, just like so. Alright, so before we conclude the video, we're going to do one more lap all the way around. And I know that a lot of you are thinking, well, I'd rather have the xDrive model. And you're not wrong, but I think eDrive40 is actually pretty good. Make sure you get some winters on. But this thing would be so much fun. And I love how it looks with the M Sport Pro on there. So how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. Alright everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW i4 eDrive40 in Black Sapphire Metallic with the Tacora Red with M Sport Pro. Congratulations, Brad. Thank you so much for your business. Glad to see that you ended up in this one that we sort of selected at the beginning. So I've got the pricing information in the description below. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.